How to find good anime. This is you. Okay, let's be real. This is probably more realistic. You just finished another banger anime and now you feel a void in your life. Now, what can you do? Well, you could get your life together and not spend all day watching anime, or, and this is more likely, you will go looking for another good anime. This is harder than you thought though, so it begs the question, how do you find a good anime? And that's why you clicked this video, so let me help you. 1. You go to YouTube and search for recommendation videos. Ah yes, the hell that is called anime recommendations. The thin line between the most normie anime and downright lunacy. Let me tell you one thing about people that do these videos. They are losers who try to cheaply grab as much views as possible with the lowest effort. You click on a top 5 anime to watch this season video. Don't waste your time. Just go on my anime list and look at the top 5 anime next season list. It's literally the same. You click on a best video to watch as a beginner video. Here, let me just save you some time. It's Death Note and Demon Slayer. That's literally every video about that summarized. You watch a best anime of all time video? Stop it. You are not ready for what weird ass lolly hentai these people put in their top 10 lists. If you want to find a new good anime, do not search for it on YouTube. Now that I listed all that, I kinda see myself a lot in that. 2. Ask a friend. The hardest way for most weeps, as most people who watch anime don't actually have friends. I think that's what to call them. If you do, however, you shouldn't listen to them.
Oh my god! No, don't do it!
Why? To be honest, I don't know, but somehow I never watched anything my friends recommended to me. No real reason, it's just the way it is. Don't question it. 3. Ask manga readers. Anyone actually do this? This is a horrible idea. If you want to ask the most obnoxious, annoying and elitist people about anime recommendations, just subscribe to my channel and wait for another recommendation video. No, but seriously, subscribe and like the video. The manga territory is a no-go for anime fans.
We're in the endgame now.
They spoil you faster than Lucky Luke pulls out his gun. Disclaimer, this is not a real spoiler. Excuse me, do you think Attack on Titan, Aaron's mom is the final villain? Would you recommend My Hero? All Might Dies. Yo, where's the bath rule? Luffy and Zoro will do the fusion dance and beat Kaido. Yo, actually that would be pretty heat. No, it wouldn't. Whatever. What I'm trying to say is, do not interact with manga readers in any way possible. You will always lose. Trust me. Go by openings. The most simple way of choosing an anime, one could say. The simpleton's way of looking for an anime. Don't be fooled by good openings. That's exactly what the lizard people running the anime business want. Alright, that might be too much, but my point still stands. If anime with good openings would be all good, Black Clover wouldn't be the shit state it is, but rather an actual watchable anime. There has also been a trend in anime that they try to make their openings or endings as different from the rest as possible, or they really try hard to make them go viral so more people watch it. For example, the Chica Dance ending, the Jujutsu Kaisen ending, the Yaboy Coming opening, and so on. While sometimes the show is still pretty good, like Kaguya-sama or Jujutsu Kaisen, behind a great ending or opening, there often hides a mid-anime, so beware of that. Number 5. Start that one random anime you have heard some good things about at 3 AM. The right way of consuming anime. I can give you the easy approval that this is the ultimate way of consuming anime. It's 3 AM on a Tuesday and you have to wake up at like 7 AM. You are about to go to sleep and then boom! That one anime you had one guy 2 years ago talk highly about pops into your mind. Now, you could just go to sleep and pretend that you are a responsible and reasonable human being, but we both know you aren't. The best part about watching anime at 3 AM? You are tired. That means the anime could be the biggest piece of trash ever created, but you will still like it, as you barely can't think straight anyways at 3 AM. After watching like 6 episodes till like 5 AM, you then go sleeping despite promising yourself to do an all-nighter.
Yes, I can win, I feel great, I can do this.
and totally oversleep. But even if you get fired from your job because of that, it truly was worth it, wasn't it? Then you try continuing watching the next episodes, realize the anime is dog shit and drop it though. So yeah, there's that. I know I'm not the only one who does that, right? Right? What is the last anime you have watched at 3 AM in the morning? Write it into the comments. Hope the video helped you on how to decide on your next anime. Bye!